I'm in a honky tonk like this.
Football losers and no account boozers and a honky tonk hero.
What is up, guys, and welcome back. Check it out. Today we're going to put a light bar on the Cruze. Live in a rural area. At one time I have hit as many as 4 deer in 1 year, and since putting these light bars on this, man, makes a big difference. One of the main problems you have though is there's nowhere to mount the light bar on the Cruze versus the Jeep over here. We got all kinds of options. So one of the cool things you can get out there is a license plate light bar mounting kit. Check it out. You can put this above or below the license plate and mount your light bar right to it. I'm going to use the Nilight light bar. I've done this install before on that Jeep over there and the one up top and all that. You can watch those videos. What you will need for this build: a Lumitek 20-inch, 120 watt, 10,500 lumen light bar. Cost you $26. Like I said, I like Nilight brand. You can go with the Nilight, about the same price. Also, I recommend the Nilight wiring harness. That kit has 2 leads and it will cost you $15. And lastly, the Nilight mount. You can search the license plate LED light bar mount. It will cost $21, bringing the grand total of the build to 62 bucks. Not too bad for 10,500 extra lumens in the complete darkness. Now let's go on over there and let's figure out how we're going to get the wires through the firewall into the car. Once I get that done, the rest is a breeze. All right, back on the firewall, there is a boot back in here. It's a little rubber boot. So if you go right up in the corner of your car, I've got a clothesline that I just straightened out and pushed right through that boot. I'm attached to wires I need to come into the car and pull them right back in. Here's our wire diagram. The wires I will need into the car are the red and the black and the white from the relay. Tape those to that wire and let's do it. Not sure where I'm going to put my switch yet. That doesn't matter, but it is hooked up. Got your black on the bottom, white accessory in the middle, and your hot on top. I'll put that somewhere around here. So this switch controls 2 different things. So for now, I'm gonna mask off one of these 2 leads. I'm gonna run one to the front for the light bar, mount this relay. Let's take off this stock license plate holder. Nice. Now grab the light bar, we'll mount it right to that bad boy. Well, you put these in, then you install these in the back. We'll just slide that onto that holder. Nice and straight before I give it a cranking. Harbor Freight Specials, get you some. Go ahead and put some of these spades on. And use my old fishing wire again, make it easy. Maybe this hole. All right, tape. Make sure you cover the end and go skinny. There she is. Pull this in, get it nice and tight, tucked in, start tucking all these wires up. I want to tape both of these connections off, wrap that up real nice. I'll roll it up, I'll stick it in there, and I'll decide what else I'm going to put on here. This negative coming out of here has got to go to here. It's not long enough, so I'm going to have to jump a wire about the same gauge right in between there. Got plenty of length. I'm going to go right under here. Negative on the relay, negative for the switch. Positive, I'm gonna go right underneath this nut. Loosen it up a hair. Same thing, I'll get the positive off the relay, positive from the switch. Slide them right on between there. I hate this stupid thing. My fuse right here, and the relay is just tucked in right here. I just noticed, look who decided to join us. Look who just showed up to the party. Inside look of the switch. No light, but when you turn it on, it's lit. I'll decide where to mount that later. We'll go test it out. There's the standard headlights. Oh yeah. There's the brights. There's the bar. Heck yeah. If you want to see more review of this light, I did a big drive around with the Jeep after I got done with it. You wouldn't believe it. You wouldn't believe the difference. It's amazing. One last thing, forgot to mention, I do like Nilight a lot, and it's what's installed on my Jeep and stuff. And I love this stuff. And I went with Lumitek this time. My other parts are Nilight. I had a third-party company contact me in my email and wanted me to do a YouTube video in exchange for free parts. But to show you how much I like these brands and how good they are, I declined it and did it for free. Well, on my own expense. Woohoo! That's right. Say dad, dad. Hey guys, that's all I have for today. If you liked the video, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you did not like the video, check the people on the bottom of my channel called Bad Mofos. Hours and hours of fun. Don't forget, I got all kinds of videos on there. I've got all kinds of freaking videos. Check it out, subscribe. Love to see you back. Thanks again for watching. Take care. Later. Peace.